Good morning students. Today's topic is vapor pressure. When a liquid is placed in a container, the molecules which are present in a liquid can be escaped from the surface of the liquid. The same liquid is closed in a container. The vapor molecules are condensed into containers. The rate of escaping tendency of vapor molecules is equal to condensation of gaseous phase equal can be occurs at equilibrium. So vapor pressure can be defined as the pressure exerted by the vapor in thermodynamic equilibrium with its condensed phases or solid or liquid at a given temperature in a closed system. Vapor pressure is a tendency of particle to escape from the surface of the liquid or a solids. As the temperature can be increases, vapor pressure of the substance can be increases. If the substance is more volatile, the vapor pressure can be increases. With increasing the temperature of the substance, vapor pressure becomes increases. It will reaches atmospheric pressure. It will convert it into vapors. The units for vapor pressure is can be expressed in mm of Hg, bars, atmosphere, pascals or kilopascals. Example of substances having vapor pressure: water vapor pressure is 0.03 atmosphere, bromine 0.3 atmosphere, diethyl ether 0.7 atmosphere, ethyl alcohol 0.08 atmosphere at 25 degree centigrade. There are different types of factors which influencing on vapor pressure of a solid or liquids. First one is nature of liquid. If the liquid or solid is having more volatile in nature, there are having more vapor pressure. Temperature. The relationship between temperature and vapor pressure is directly proportional. As the temperature can be increases, the vapor pressure of the solid or liquid can be increases. The escaping tendency of the matter can be also increases with temperature. As the temperature can be decreases, the vapor pressure of the substance can be decreases. There is a direct relationship between vapor pressure and temperature can be observed. For observing this property, then plot a graph in between temperature is taken on x-axis and y-axis is taken on vapor pressure. There is a increasing in their vapor pressure with increasing in their temperature can be observed. Presence of solute. Due to presence of volatile or non-volatile solute particles, vapor pressure can be decreases. Another factor is intermolecular forces. The solids or liquids are having different types of intermolecular forces. They are having held together by strong forces. Vapor pressure can be decreases. They are held together by weak forces. The vapor pressure can be increases. These are the different types of factors which influencing on vapor pressure of the substance, either gas, solid or liquid. Thank you.